Okay, hello guys, how are you? So I'm going to be teaching you Shumba today. I'll start with the chords first, then we play it through later. Okay, it has 4 parts if we divide it to simplify it. So the first part starts on 5 and 11, okay, twice, then 7, 15 once, then 1 and 15 once. The second part, 5, 11 again twice, then once on 5, 13, once on 1, 13. The third part, 3 and 15 twice. Notice twice here, once here, once here. Then the fourth part, 3 and 15 again. This time 1 and 15, then 3, 11. So if we play all the chords from start to finish, part 1, the second part, third part, fourth part,